What is it, Aquila? What's wrong?
Call.
Slow down.
Call.
Call. Call. What do you want? Get back. Keep away. Don't come any closer. Go on now. Get away from me. Shoo! Go on. Leave me be. Keep away, you feathered fiend. Oh! Oh! Go on. Get out of here. Keep back. Go away. Whoosh. Wings beating.
What is that? It's coming right for me. What is it? Scree, scree, scree. Something wrong. Aquila? Where are you going? Scree. Wait for me. Call. Here, Henry. Evelyn? No. Evelyn? Evelyn? Oh, God, no. Rest. You're safe now, Evelyn. Just hold on. I've got you. I've got you.
Hold tight, Evelyn. Just a little longer.
Yeah.
Evelyn? It's Henry. Stay with me, please.
Please.
Keep your coat on. Let me get this warmed cloth over you.
Is it too tight?
No, just making sure it stays warm. Hang in there, Evelyn.
Evelyn, can you hear me?
Ah.
Just a little longer. The warmth is building. That's it. Come on. You're safe. Just keep breathing. Huh, huh.
Shallow, fragile breathing.
That's it. Steady now. You're doing so well, Evelyn. Keep fighting.
I'm trying, Henry. Just need to rest.
That's it, sweetheart. I'm right here.
Evelyn, it's me.
Henry, can you hear me?
Evelyn, you're waking up. Can you hear me?
Henry?
You're awake, Evelyn.
Henry.
Keep this on. It will help. Just rest now.
Thank you, Henry.
You see him, Evelyn? He's here.
Oh,
I see him. Aquila.
inside the bed. Why did the turn your dad chop him in? Just unpredictable.
No need to strain. We're here.
Try this, Evelyn. It's warm.
All right, easy does it.
Smells delicious, Henry. Cree.
Open up. It'll make you feel better.
Okay.
Take your time, Evelyn. Just a little. You're doing well, Evelyn. Just a little more.
Thank you, Henry. You came back. Cree. I missed you. And the Benvet Sabeda.
Thank you, Aquila. We're gonna be all right.